Hello, this is Dr. Stephanie speaking here. I'm a dog psychologist. And today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to correct your dog with the claw. This claw right here, it's plastic. It imitates the dog's. This claw here imitates the mother's language, okay? So the mother speaks loud by using, I mean the mother nature taught me that I have to use this to correct the dog, because the reason why is because it imitates the dog's bite. So it imitates the dog bite, so you have to use this to correct the dog, okay? So I'm going to demonstrate to you by sound correction first, and then I'm gonna teach you how to correct the dog with sound correction and touch correction. This is touch correction, and this is gonna be a leash correction we're gonna use. A loose leash, which is a slip lead, and I'm gonna teach you how to do it on a fake dog today. This is a fake dog. It can be a Rottweiler, it could be a Dominant, it could be all kind of powerful breeds, okay? If a dog gets misbehaved, we gotta discipline it. They are like kids to us, so we gotta understand how to discipline them at all costs. So the first correction I'm gonna do is a leash correction later on. I'm gonna do a sound correction first. If a dog barks at you, if a dog is barking, if a dog's tail. I don't know if I can see the camera properly, but if the dog's tail, a second, let me have a look. Yep. So the dog's tail is like up, it's barking, it means it's aggressive, okay? And what I want to do to it is give it a sound correction. So I go, ah! Do it closely to you, so you know the sound correction, how they imitate the mother's growl. The mother's growl is going ah! See? But yeah, your body has to be straight, and you have to be calm and assertive at all times. Calm and confident means assertive, means like a sergeant. Okay? Like the energy of a sergeant, okay? Because dogs, they learn from energy, sound, and touch. Okay? So what you want to do is see the bad behavior issues like that. Your tail is going up like that, and it's going up like that, and it goes woof, 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 woof. Okay, if your dog goes like that, what you want to do is go ah! Go again, it's another sound correction, and you walk around slowly, baby steps, and you go ah! Because every time you walk up to a dog and you pass the dog and you walk forward to a dog, yeah, like this, yeah, you take a step up, that means you are claiming space, okay? So if you claim space, your dog will understand that it will understand to give you space, okay? Just say this is the land, okay? I climb the land, I conquer the land, I go in like this, ah! And the dog, every time I walk forward, the dog moves backwards, because the energy of a dog understands that, okay, the energy is too high, it moves backwards. So it always happens in scenarios, okay? I could poke it in the rear, right here, means correction. In animal language, okay? Poking a rear doesn't mean cruel. Poking a rear means touch correction, means I don't accept it, and snap out, okay? Touching a rear of a dog means snapping out. So what you want to do is go ah! Okay? And if a dog hesitates, If it hesitates, and it hesitates, and it hesitates, and it stops, it's barking, means it's surrendering to you. So I correct it until I get the consistent amount of correction, okay? So if I can correct a dog right now, like this, okay? Ouch! The language means don't do it. You can correct it if that's the only way you correct it. If the dog is too excited or it stimulates its level too high, yeah. Also, I want you to know that you can correct it on the neck. See the neck right here? I'll do it slowly so you see it, okay? Ouch! Slowly, yeah? But in a fast motion, it will go like this. Ouch! I correct the dog there. Means I don't negotiate with the behavior it does, okay? Pack leaders always correct and discipline. They're like, dogs are Vietnamese, okay? The whole race of dogs are Vietnamese, okay? In the animal kingdom, this is mom talking right here, the mother nature speaking. And I want you guys to know, the mommy understands that you guys need to learn this, okay? If you want to learn how to discipline your dogs, you can discipline with that claw. You can buy online, which is a shredder, meat shredder, claw. And then it's only costing you only like $15, okay? To get this thing, okay? You can get it on eBay or anywhere. The second thing I want to teach you is the sound correction on a leash, okay? But what we're going to do is, I'm going to show you a leash correction, okay? And when you put a collar on a dog, make sure it's on top of the neck. I'm going to zoom in for you. I'm going to zoom in for you guys to watch. 1 second. One second. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in for you. See if you can see that there. The collar right there on the neck. It has to be close. It can't be here. Cannot be here. But it has to be here. Okay? So it has to be right here. Not here, but right here to get control. Alright, so basically I want to show you the leash correction right now, okay? I want to show you what it does and how to correct a dog with the leash correction. So you correct a dog, always correct it up, okay? Like, or you can go, make sure you hold it like this, okay? We're not tense. Not tense like this, okay? But loose, like that, okay? See the hand? I'm not holding it like, you know, I'm not holding it, I was holding this, okay? I'm not holding it like that. I'm holding it like this, relaxing. And I go, ksh, or ksh. You have to do this on a leash, okay? Just pretend this is a leash, and I was holding it, and I don't hold it like this, like a punching bag, but hold it relaxingly, and I go, ouch! Like that, okay? I want to show you again, so you can see it. So you're gonna correct your dog, you're gonna go, ouch! Sometimes if you don't have a claw with you, you can go, and the dog disciplines yourself, correct it, anticipate correction. It's always good because you will learn how to correct a dog when it comes to like discipline. You need to do it at the right time. So just say if the dog is whining, it's going, I go, and then that's how I correct a dog, okay? Or you can go, I'll show you how I do it as fast. I'll do slow motion for you guys to see. So you see how it's done. Remember, the touch, you have to be calm and assertive at all times when you're doing it. So I'll do it again. See, if I was going to correct another dog, I would use my right hand to do it. A correction of a dog, it's like this, okay? Let me put it backwards so you guys can see it. So you're gonna go, or you can go, but you have to hold it like not too tight, but not too loose, but to give it enough space so you can correct it, okay? The reason why I'm teaching you guys discipline is because you guys need to learn how to discipline your dogs. Bad kids, okay? Bad ones. Bad kids need to get disciplined. So I'll teach you again. So it goes like this, okay? I hope you guys enjoy my video. And this is Dr. Stephanie speaking. And this is God Mother Nature as well. I want you guys to know that Mommy loves you. And Mommy doesn't want you guys to know that Mommy's cruel. Mommy's not cruel. This is the animal language talking to you. I'm the leader here telling you guys what to do. If you guys want to read my Bible, watch my thing and subscribe. Okay, Mommy loves you.